बोलता है 2014 के बाद. Data speaks. This is our 6th video on the indicators after 2014. Today's our session is on profitability of public sector banks. सार्वजनिक क्षेत्र के बैंकों की लाभप्रदता. See, before 2019 we used to call nationalized banks, and after 2019 they are now public sector banks. See, there were some 20 banks, but all these banks, many of the banks were merged. For instance, Bank of Baroda was merged with Dena Bank and Vijay Bank. Similarly, other banks also, Union Bank was also merged. We have got now 12 banks, which can be named as public sector banks because majority of the banks, they have got now public holding. Now, what are the major incomes and expenditures of the bank? The major income of the bank is interest earned. You give the loan and they earn the interest, and other incomes like fees, rent, and other services which the banks provide. Expenses, interests are to be paid to the depositors, and other operating expenses are salary to employees, printing and stationery, rent, taxes, electricity, advertisements, depreciations, law charges, insurance. See, what is operating profit? Operating profit is total income minus total expenditures or expenses. We are not talking about adjustments here, any provisions. We are just talking income minus expenses. In this video, we are interested only in operating profit. Our concern is operating profit only. Data has been taken from RBI websites. Basic purpose of knowing whether public sector banks' profits have decreased or increased. Comparatively, how much they have increased. See, before 2006-7 to 2013-14, total banks of profits in 2007, they were approximately 28,363. 28,363 crores, and they increased to 87,174 crores. There is an increase from 28,087. In 2014-15 to 2021-22, the operating profits in 2015, March 2015 was approximately 89,583, but they rose to 2 lakh, that is 2,627 crores. See this figure, this the highest figure is 89,000 something, and here the highest figure is touching 2 lakh crores. See, because the base is small, so the compounded growth rate for this period is 18.7%. And because the base is here heavy, so it is the compounded growth rate is coming as 14%, 14.7%. See, what is the difference? We will realize the difference if we total the profit of 8 years, this left side, and total the profit on the right side. See, total profit during the 8 years before 2014 for 8 years, it was 4,69,277 crores. But after 2015, for 8 years, it is 11,44,616. 11,44,616. The total profit during the 3 years is 4,69,277, and after 2014-15 it is 11,44,660. Not only doubled, but also 2.5 times. So percentage change during the 8 years, earlier 8 years and now 8 years is 143.9% operating profit. We are not talking about other things. That we will talk how the NPAs, we have not taken NPAs here. We are just taking the operating profit. We have not taken the adjustments in NPAs. That we will talk in some other videos. Thanks for watching. Wait for the next video on a new indicator.
In Indian context especially, OD aspect is much neglected by researchers. Yeah, so the organization transformation and the role of HR in the transformation is something which can be really studied in detail. That can happen at any level, specific sector wise, or it can get into any related thing. This is one thing. And one most always research topic is the diversity management.